How to set up email on Samsung device. So around 85% of online user can confirm setting up email account on a mobile device help to access and manage email on the go. Fortunately for those using Samsung, setting up a email account on their device is simple with the Samsung email apps. So no matter the email provided, this app will help to set up your email. However, for custom email address, there are configuration settings that required an additional step. Thus, the articles will go over the step to add and remove custom email account on Samsung device. In addition, as Gmail dominate the email platform market with 1.8 billion users worldwide. We will share the Samsung email setup guide to add a Gmail account, including additional privacy settings that can be changed manually. Find your email details. For custom email, it is essential to find the email details first from the email hosting server. They include the incoming server and outgoing server setting. Take note of the host name, security type, and SSN port for the manually setup. Hosting and email hosting. User should follow the step below. Log into your Hostinger account and head to the SPLN panel dashboard to check your mail account details. So, thank you everyone.